In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a t-shirt Shopify website. First, create your Shopify store, head to Shopify, sign up, choose a store name that matches your brand vibe, and connect your custom domain so customers can find you at a professional web address. A clean domain builds trust and makes your brand memorable. Next, choose a clean theme. In your dashboard, go to Online Store, then Themes, and install the free Dawn theme or another clothing-focused option. These themes are optimized for product visuals, easy navigation, and fast load times. You can customize colors, fonts, and sections later to match your brand. Design your brand identity before you dive into products. Create a simple logo, define a color palette, and pick typography that's easy to read. Neutral colors with bold product photography work great for apparel, keeping the focus on your designs. Build your essential pages: a home page for first impressions, a shop page for browsing, an About Us page to tell your story, and a contact page for support. Add an FAQ to reduce pre-purchase questions, plus clear shipping and return policies to set expectations and boost confidence. Now add your t-shirt products. For each item, write a clear product title and a descriptive, benefit-focused description. Upload high-quality images or mock-ups, include a detailed size chart, set pricing, and add variants for sizes and colors. Consistent naming and sizing improve the shopping experience. Organize products into collections like bestsellers, graphic tees, oversized t-shirts, new arrivals, and sale. Collections help customers find what they want quickly and power featured sections across your site. Customize your homepage with a hero banner that showcases your top design, a featured collection, an about snippet, customer reviews for social proof, and an email sign up. Consider sections for new arrivals, bestsellers, an Instagram feed to show real world style, and a newsletter sign up to grow your list. Set up payments by enabling Shopify payments, PayPal, and standard credit or debit cards, so checkout is seamless. Configure shipping with zones, rates, and delivery times. Be transparent to reduce cart abandonment. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords like men's t-shirts, graphic tees, cotton shirts, and trendy t-shirts in your product titles, descriptions, meta titles, meta descriptions, and image alt text. Install helpful apps such as product reviews, email marketing, upsell tools, and size chart apps to enhance credibility, retention, and average order value. Test everything. Check mobile responsiveness, run through the checkout, and click every link and button. Launch by connecting your custom domain and publishing the store. Promote through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and email marketing to drive traffic and repeat purchases. Use mockups and lifestyle photos. Offer limited edition designs. Highlight fabric quality and fit, and include a precise size guide. Build a clean, easy to navigate Shopify store that showcases your designs and makes it simple for customers to shop. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.